This week, we're learning to notice and name emotions and feel how we experience them in our bodies. We practice radically accepting and turning towards painful emotions by aiming to surf the waves of emotion. Another thing we've learnt this week is how when we avoid or suppress emotions or try to solve them through ruminating, it can make the intensity of emotions worse. When we have expectations about how we should feel and that doesn't match what we're actually feeling, we can suffer more. Let's look at a mathematical formula to help illustrate this concept. Painful emotion times resistance equals suffering. In other words, if we resist or flee from a painful emotion, it increases suffering. What happens to the experience of suffering if our resistance to the emotion drops, for example, from 8 to 4? What happens to the experience of suffering if the resistance to the emotion drops to 0? What would it be like if we stopped struggling with or resisting our emotions? As we learn to accept and to not fight so hard, we have more space or distance to respond wisely and effectively. Over the next weeks, you can continue examining how your reaction to emotions affects them. What difference does it make if you radically accept your emotions or if you struggle against them? Wishing you a good weekend of practice.